Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete all emails on your Gmail account. In order to do that, we need to simply click on this box over here in the top left corner of this menu. So let's click here, and then we will select every mail message that we have received, at least on this page. Over here we can also find different pages. We can skip to the next page over here and find all the messages. And if we select only these ones, then we will select only from this page, like I mentioned. So over here we have 50 conversations. However, if we want to, we can select all of them by clicking on the blue text over here, select all number here, conversations in social. So we can select every one of them, and then we can click on the delete icon over here, like so. Then we will need to confirm bulk action. So we will be informed that this action will affect all conversations in the inbox, and if we are sure that we want to continue, click OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.